Everybody, today we'll be looking at the brand new Falcon Scout item. It's going to be amazing.
You can use birds now, okay? Metal bird, Metal Gear, funny, okay. I don't know what way, well, I don't know how to find it. I don't know how easy it is to be found. Hopefully it's not like last video. Oh my god, that still gives me pain every time I think about that. You know what, let's just not think about last video. I doubt it'll be as fun though. Oh my god. Let me be, please. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, you ain't find me. Oh, wait. None of them had it. Okay, I want a metal bird.
It's a simple
okay,
concept.
I'm not asking for much. I want a metal bird. Simple concept. Okay. I don't care. Okay, I don't care about that. What I do care about is the new content. Okay,
So this is the part where I had to, well, my audio got really bad, so bad that I refused to show the rest of this entire game.
Oh wait, wait, did we just get the item straight away? Well, that was easy. That was stupidly easy. Okay, just got the item. Nice. Okay. Well, I want to test something. No. Okay. Just picking myself up a weapon as I normally do. Now, I don't know what my aim here is. I kind of got the item. This was really anticlimactic. I guess we have to try and win now. I don't know what to really say about that. Just try and win. Oh, a danger hero. You briefly regenerate health and gain movement speed while your shield breaks. Interesting. Interesting. That is a... I got another Falcon Scout, you know. That's fine. That's fine. Ooh, okay. Super functioning vending machine. Super functioning. Okay, that's actually quite funny. I don't even watch the show and it's just funny. Now let's find some enemies now, shall we? That's quite cool, I ain't gonna lie, okay? That's really cool, they can do that. I heard people. Okay, I'm gonna scout out the area. Okay. Or at least a try. I don't think they're ready.